girls, and welcome to Chord and Guitar. Maggie Rogers, Horses, a great song, and it's a good guitar-friendly song. One strumming pattern that's very common and great chords. A great song to start and begin your guitar way in life. Yeah, let's do this. We have the capo here on the first fret to match up the chords with the sound, and we will go through the chords first. Let's start with G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next chord, E minor. So E minor is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. B minor next. So that's a bar here on the second fret from the A string and down, so that means 5 strings from the bottom up here. And the rest will be fourth on D, fourth on G, and third on B. C next. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And finally we have D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Alright, so before we go into chord progressions and stuff like that, we will look at the strumming pattern. We need to learn that first. G is the first chord. So one round of the strumming with G will sound like this. And this is a basic down, down, up, down, up pattern. We will divide this into 2 different parts. We need that because some chords will play just one of the parts. So let's look at the first part. It's very easy. It's down, down, up. Okay, so down, down, up, and part 2 will be up, down, up. So that is easy as well. And if you connect these 2 parts, down, down, up, down, up, it will be exactly like I said, down, down, up, down, up. So that is the strumming pattern that will work for this song. And with that, we can start the actual song. It goes one round of the following chords: G, E minor, B minor, and C. That is the intro. So B minor, B minor, and C. And then starts the actual song with the first verse. And you will just continue the same chord progression and same strumming for another 2 rounds. So G, so that is the first verse, and the second verse comes right after, so it's additional 2 more rounds. So far with the intro and the first 2 verses, we've been playing 5 rounds of G, E minor, B minor, C. After that comes the first pre-chorus, and the lyrics took me all this long to figure out. Okay, so we'll play C for 2 rounds. Minor for 1 round, then D part 1 and B minor part 1, so it's the down, down, up for both D and B minor. So and then B minor. Okay, and then we continue again with the C 2 times, then B minor 1 time, and you will just end with 1 down on D. So that is the pre-chorus, and that takes us to the chorus. I see horses. Alright, so it will be G for 1 round, E minor 1 round, B minor 1 round, and C 1 round. You recognize this, it's the same as the verse. You played it for 4 rounds, and we know that by now, and that will be your chorus. Then comes an instrumental part You will just continue the same way of playing G1, E minor 1, B minor 1, and C1. Verse number 3, same as the previous choruses, and the same goes with the second pre-chorus. It's the same as the first one, and the second chorus, so nothing changes there till after we come to this bridge part. In the lyrics, I can't wait up for you today. Okay, so there you will play 2 C's, 1 E minor, and part 1 D, part 1 B minor. So you recognize this. This is the same as the pre-chorus. So that is the bridge part. You will play that for 3 rounds. Then after these 3 rounds, you will play on the 4th round C 2 times, then E minor 1 time, and just end on 1 down on D. So that is the bridge part. So to summarize that one, it will be 3 rounds of the same way of playing as the pre-choruses, and then on the 4th round you can say you're going to play C2, E minor 1, and 1 down on D. That takes us to the final parts here, the 3rd chorus. You will have almost 2 rounds of 1 down per chord in the same way as you played other choruses. Almost. So it will be 1 down on G, 1 down on E minor, 1 down on B minor, and 1 on C. So we will continue with the 2nd round. Still 1 down on G, 1 down on E minor, and the last 2 chords, it will kind of build up for the strumming, so that will be still for the same chords, B minor and C, 8 fast down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it builds up here for the rest of the chorus. So that is the first 2 rounds, and we have then the rest of the song will kind of mash up everything together. It's the final parts of the chorus plus the outro. It will be 4 rounds of the standard strumming here with the standard chords for the chorus: G1, E minor 1, B minor 1, and C1, and you play that till the very end, and that will cover Roger's horses, Maggie's horses, or so, I don't know what, but yeah, anyway, a great song and easy to learn as well. So good luck with this one, guys. Play tuned.